Here is the truth you feel every day but never say out loud. You walk into rooms already losing. Before you speak, before you prove anything, before you explain yourself, you are being ranked, not morally, not fairly, efficiently. People scan you the way animals scan rivals. Posture, pace, silence, eye contact, timing. They decide how much you matter before you open your mouth. And if you are ignored, interrupted, overlooked, or tolerated, it is not bad luck. It is data. You are broadcasting weakness without realizing it. This video is not here to comfort you. It is here to expose you. Because once you see the rules, you can no longer pretend you are innocent. Humans are not deep thinkers. They are fast judges. They use shortcuts, signals, symbols. They do not ask, is this person good? They ask, is this person safe to dismiss? Life is not a fairness system. It is a dominance hierarchy. Machiavelli understood this before psychology had a name. It is not necessary for a prince to have all the good qualities I have enumerated, but it is very necessary to appear to have them. Appearance opens the gate. Essence is irrelevant without access. Now listen carefully. The habits you think make you decent are often the habits that make you invisible. Habit 1. You move slower than necessary. Speed is status. The nervous rush, the overeager stride, the fast talking, all poverty signals. Predators move with economy. They waste nothing. When you slow your movements, you force the room to sink to you. People wait. Waiting creates gravity. Habit 2. You explain yourself too much. Explanation is submission. The more you justify, the weaker your position appears. Power speaks, then stops. Silence implies options. Noise implies need. Machiavelli warned, he who explains himself is already defeated. Habit 3. Your posture leaks your history. Your spine tells the truth your mouth hides. Collapsed chest, forward head, shrunken presence. That is not humility. That is defeat memory stored in muscle. Stand upright not to feel confident. Stand upright to become dangerous again. Action comes before belief, always. Habit 4. You try to be liked. Liked people are consumed. Respected people are avoided carefully. Every time you seek approval, you place others above you. Predators do not pull the herd. They move. They let others adapt. Habit 5. You fill silence because IT makes you uncomfortable. Silence is not empty. It is a projection screen. The one who speaks first loses leverage. In negotiations, in arguments, in rooms, the quiet person becomes the unknown variable, and humans fear what they cannot read. Habit 6. You arrive when everyone else arrives. Timing is hierarchy. Early is eager. Late is disrespect. On time with composure signals control. You were not rushed. You were not chasing. You arrived because you decided to. Habit 7. You dress for comfort, not signal. Clothing is not fabric. It is declaration. Every environment has a uniform of power. Ignore it and you signal rebellion without teeth. Machiavelli wrote, men judge generally more by the eye than by the hand. They see you before they test you. Habit 8. You speak in long sentences when short ones cut deeper. Long speech is defense. Short speech is verdict. Say less and sooner. Let your words land and make others work. Effort reveals hierarchy. Habit 9. You react too quickly. Reactivity is predictability. Predictability is control by others. The calm response dominates the emotional one. Stillness under pressure rewires your nervous system. Others feel it before they understand it. Habit 10. You show your full hand early. Oversharing is a poverty signal. Abundance withholds. Mystery creates respect not because it is romantic, but because it implies depth. Those with nothing show everything. Habit 11. You chase attention instead of position. Noise does not equal power. Scarcity does. The rare presence is valued. The constant presence is ignored. This applies online and offline. Post less. Say more with less. Habit 12. You laugh to disarm others. Nervous laughter is a white flag. You're signaling, I am not a threat. Stop neutralizing yourself. Stillness unsettles. Controlled expression commands. Habit 13. You let others interrupt you. Interruption is a dominance test. When you stop speaking, you fail it. Finish your sentence, then stop. Machiavelli knew power must be asserted before it is respected. Habit 14. You negotiate from need. Need smells. It changes your tone, your posture, your timing. Never negotiate from urgency. Scarcity gives leverage only when it is yours. Habit 15. You ask permission where you should declare. Permission frames you as subordinate. Declaration frames you as decision maker. I will outranks is it okay if. Language shapes hierarchy instantly. Habit 16. You seek fairness in an unfair system. Fairness is a story told to keep order. Efficiency is the real law. Those who understand this rise quietly. Those who deny it complain loudly. Habit 17. You let emotion lead your face. Your face is a broadcast tower. Master it. Flat effect under pressure unnerves aggressive people. Emotion leaks information. Information is leverage. Habit 18. You wait to feel ready. Readiness is a myth for the weak. Action creates identity, not the other way around. Dominance is practiced, not felt. Waiting is self-erasure. Habit 19. You try to prove your value. Value is never proven. It is assumed or dismissed. The one proving is already beneath. Move as if your presence has cost. People will adjust or reveal themselves. Habit 20. You think this is about confidence. It is not. Confidence is an outcome. This is about discipline, control, restraint, the ability to govern yourself in front of others. Machiavelli said the first method for estimating the intelligence of a ruler is to look at the men he has around him. The room reflects you. By now you feel it tightening. That memory of being ignored, talked over, passed by, that was not random. It was your signals. Change the signals and the world recalibrates. Not because it is kind, because it is efficient. What you heard is only the surface layer. There are deeper techniques, behavioral, social, strategic. They cannot be shared publicly without dilution. If you stayed to the end, you already separated yourself. Subscribe. And for those who want the uncensored material, the inner level exists for a reason. Not everyone is supposed to have access. Choose victim or master, invisible or inevitable, observed or respected.